Back on the Croft for the weekend. The warm sun showed up, so we made the most of it. With a bit of digging, a bit of harvesting, and a good excuse for a barbecue. We've started working the land little by little. It's slow progress, but there's something satisfying about turning over your own soil. This will be a bridge to cross over the burn. No fancy machinery, just a small digger, a spade, and a bit of muscle. The kids love it out here. There's room to run, dig, make mud castles, explore, and get completely filthy.
Yeah.
Mini crofters in the making. Now let's head back to the house and get the barbecue organised. If we had thought earlier, we could have had the barbecue here at the Croft. But anyway, back home we go. Back at the garden, we picked our first lettuce of the season. Just a small harvest, but enough for dinner. It always tastes better when you've grown it yourself. We finished the day with a barbecue at the house. Nothing fancy, just fresh air, good food, and tired hands. It's these small moments that remind us why we're doing this. Also at the weekend, Scott got to sneak off for a quick spin to Gigha. A bit choppy, but worth it for the views and lunch by the sea. Thanks for spending a bit of the weekend with us. We'll be back again soon with more from the Croft, the garden, and the bees. Until then, take care. And if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and follow along.